it going? So right now we are just at the Riverwalk right now, and our boat has arrived, and we're going to take a tour. And the Christmas lights, even though Christmas is over, but we are still on Christmas break, so I thought of why not. And I will show you some lights right now, and just how pretty it is on the river. There's some trees right there with lights, some waterfalls that are tinted, and there's our boat. You probably cannot see our boat because it is really dark, but I will take tons of pictures and do some videos when we're in the canal, and I cannot wait to bring you along with us. Bye!
Crickets, everything out over there. Rail, if you will, please. Yeah, I don't want to leave anybody's elbow or arm in here or hand on the lock wall.
That was now we're in the lock. In the lock, like the Panama Canal or the Riverwalk.
We're at the Panama Canal. Just kidding, we're just downtown right now. In a canal.
We're not in a canal, we're in a lock.
I mean, in a lock.
It's tedious.
So,
4 minutes, right? To get
yep, it'll be 4 minutes.
yeah.
So, I don't know if I'm going to film this whole thing because it'll take a while.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to either. So I'll take a photo of you.
But I'll just show you a before and after. So right now you can kind of see.
Any leftovers, make sure I get back. And what they are, when you look at them, and, yeah, it's a map. You keep them; they're for y'all. And what it is, it shows a map of the museum.
I'll show you when we're going down. Bye.
Say about.
Hey guys, we're on our way down, so I just thought I'd show you. Here we are now. We're down here, and there's the water line. There's some people, and then there's the tree now, way up there, and you can see the lock going down. So yeah, here's us in the walk.
Did you eat breakfast or eat lunch?
See you in a few.
Everybody bring their arm inside off the blue rail, please.
Nutmeg,
Cinnamon and
nutmeg and
cloves.
cloves.
Sailor Jerry.
Sailor Jerry, all right. It's just brown sugar and powdered sugar, ice cream, ice
And
cream.
butter.
Ice cream. Sailor Jerry.
Anyway, I made, because we were poor, PFC made
We are back in the canal. But this time we're going up, so I'll see you once we are at the top.
rum in it and a pat of butter to keep it from evaporating.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you take? No.
Check.
So I guess it worked. Cold. I've only got 4 layers on. It's under 90. So
Now, where are you at, Vietnam?
I've got on.
Hey everyone, so the river tour just ended, and was it a lot of fun, Carla? Oh yeah. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed all the pictures that I took, and sorry I didn't really film that much. It was just really loud and everything, and it would have been awkward and stuff like that. But I did take pictures of just about everything I could, and just say bye to this beautiful river here, and hope to see it next year. Alright, well, I'll see y'all later. Bye, guys.